cerebellum, cerebellar hemispheres, sternum magna, lateral ventricular system right here, and face around this side. I think we're going to be in luck. All right.
Is that a head?
Here we go. And I'm going to move the cord hanging around.
Is that her face?
Perfect. But there's the
That's
face.
what I think. Yeah, that is the face right there.
Let's see if I can get a better angle. I think I moved the probe in the middle of that, it slid a little bit. Even at 24 weeks, they're still a little small, but it looks fine, profile looks good. We'll get a close-up on the lips. Go back to 2D. See, there's nose, tip of the nose, nostril, upper lip. And that's basically, other than the profile, what we're looking at is to show there's no cleft lip. So here's tip of the nose, there's upper lip, there's lower lip, and the lip is fine. So that all looks good. And the other thing you look at is the shape of the profile to make sure the chin isn't recessed, and it's fine. It's kind of far away to get a good 3D picture. But it looks fine. So there's cord, lots of fluid, 3 vessels in the cord, 1, 2, 3. Let's look at arms and legs. So there's thighs, 2 thighs, femur, long-legged baby. And we'll follow the legs on down. There's shins, 1 shin.
Just whenever you call it out, look like some legs moving right there.
I can't see it.
Look at the top left.
There's the other shin. Looks perfect. And this one
Right underneath the little white spot.
looks perfect. So there's both knees, both shins, both feet.
Curled up.
Now if we go down here underneath,
Okay.
you should be able to see.
Your probe.
There's a hand down there.
It's hard to see a lot of it though.
Let me get the other probe.
So is she gonna be long?
I think so.
What did I miss?
Based on the legs, I would say yes.
She's gonna be long,
And there is, feet are way over here. There's toes. Toes are hard to count. It's both feet side by side. So the legs look great. Let's move over to the arms. Shoulder and elbow, arm down here, underneath the bottom. Rider. And there's 5 fingers. 4 across the top of the thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that would be the right arm, I believe, because it's up, left arm, down under, right there in front of the belly. It's like baby's got a hold of the cord.
she's over?
Well, there's a thumb. See, this is the thumb.
Mm.
This is the cord, and it's right at her belly button. So it's like she's got her hand down there holding it. And this is a girl or a boy.
Is it real?
There's that hand right there, right between the legs. So you can see all 5 fingers again. 4 across the top, and a thumb down here, that makes 5. And there's her girl parts. Girl. Right there. Good. Arm looks fine. Let's measure the tummy.
So the view you're looking at is her head is down, so she's like upside down.
Yeah, that's just her belly.
Okay.
We're not looking at her head. We're trying to get a tummy measurement. The belt size. Fine, 41st percentile. I would move it out a little bit. 48th percentile. The growth measurements say
So what time?
62nd percentile. Let's see how it compares to last time. Page down. Alright, so head circumference, normal range. Tummy right up the middle. Femur a little longer than average, right up the middle. Head circumference, abdominal circumference, all normal.
So based on this, how much do you think she'll weigh? Or you can't?
She
weigh?
will weigh?
Yeah.
Well, if you look at 62nd percentile and say, how big is the 62nd percentile? If she stays at that percentage term, oh, I didn't click that in there. That'd be about a little less than 8.
Pounds?
No, ounces.
Oh, what? That's a
No,
big
I'm
kid.
kidding.
I'm like, hold on, wait a minute.
Now, sonograms tend to overcall the weight,
Mm.
so babies tend to be a little smaller than the son, but we're a long ways away from delivery. Their spine, kidney,
How did you know that?
bladder,
I just kind
I don't see it. I haven't seen anything this whole time.
heart.
I saw the heart beating too.
Listen to the heart. Yeah, what is the average size baby? 50%, probably mid-sevens. So if you had 10%, that's a little more than the mid-sevens, and that's about all I can tell you.
Okay.
And that assumes the baby grows at the same proportions as it is now, and that may or may not happen. 47. Nose, face, you can probably get a profile. We just kind of side face now. This works. There you moved. There we go. No profile.
That's her side.
And don't mind those bumps like that.
That's
I
just
know
not a
what
face,
that
right?
is. It's not important, it's just an artifact. You can't make perfect pictures with sonograms. One more time, see if we can get a better face. There we go.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty good. So, everything I can see looks normal, just look at fluid volume. Wipe my hands off a little bit. I'll cover you with this stuff. So fluid volume obviously is normal, but we can put a number on it. Fluid index, vertical pockets, 1, 2, 3, 4. Normal. Maybe get a little tiny bit of hair. See right there, see a little fuzzy stuff
Oh,
right
I've been
there?
getting heartburn.
Little fuzzy stuff.
Yeah,
Looks great. No issues.
good.
So there's no issues?